Welcome. This is how to send a live location in WhatsApp. So, in order for you to do this, guys, first thing is open the WhatsApp application into your device. And now from here, you can just simply go ahead and select the person that you want to send your live location. So, for example, I'm going to go for this one. So, from here, guys, you could just simply go ahead, just simply select the clip icon at the bottom of the screen. It is beside the camera icon. And now from here, as you can see, you will have a bunch of options. So you could just simply go ahead and go for location. And after that, you could just simply select continue. And from here, select allow only while using the app. And after that, just simply select OK. And after that, go for turn on at the top and just simply go back on the top left corner. Go back to the app. From here, you can send your current location right away, or you could select share live location. And after that, you will have an option 15 minutes, 1 hour to 8 hours. And after that, you can add a comment as well. And once you are done, select send at the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to share your location. There you go. Thanks for watching.